Example 13. Find in radians the argument of a complex number. A. Step 1. Plot the point on an Argand diagram and identify which quadrant the point is in. Since C is equals to Z equals to 1 minus I, it is 1 unit on the real axis and negative 1 unit on the imaginary axis, and we know that it is in the fourth quadrant. Step 2. Compute the basic angle, which is tangent inverse modulus y over x, which is tangent inverse 1, and give rise to pi over 4. Step 3. The argument z, which is given by theta, is the angle that OP makes with the positive real axis. Therefore, theta is equals to minus pi over 4. B. Z is equals to minus 1 plus I, which is 1 unit, negative 1 unit on the real axis and 1 unit on the imaginary axis, and it is in the second quadrant. The basic angle will be tangent inverse y over 4 y over x, which is equals to tangent inverse 1 and equals to pi over 4. The argument of z, which is the angle that OP makes with the posterior axis, okay, therefore theta will be pi minus pi over 4, which is equals to 3 pi over 4. C. Z is equals to minus 1 minus I root 3, which is in the third quadrant. The basic angle, which is tangent inverse y over x, will be tangent inverse root 3, which is equals to pi over 3. The argument of z, which is the angle between OP mixed with the posterior real axis, therefore theta will be pi over 3 minus pi. That will give you minus 2 pi over 3. D. Z is equals to 2 plus 5i. It is in the first quadrant. The basic angle will be tangent inverse y over x, which is tangent inverse 5 over 2, and will give you a value of 1.19. Therefore, the argument of z, which is the angle between OP that makes with the posterior axis, makes to the real positive axis will be this angle theta, which is 1.19. E. -3. It is 3 units on the negative real axis, and the angle that makes with the positive real axis is theta. Therefore, theta is equals to pi. F for I. It is 4 units on the imaginary axis, and angle that makes with the posterior axis, which is theta. Therefore, theta will be equals to pi over 2. In general, if alpha is the basic angle, the argument z, which is your theta, for the complex number at different quadrant are summarized as follows. First quadrant, your theta, it is equals to your basic angle. Second quadrant, the argument z is equals to pi minus alpha. Third quadrant, argument z will be minus pi plus alpha. And the last quadrant, argument z will be minus alpha.